Just installed Arc on your Mac. Here's a complete walkthrough to get started fast. When you first open Arc, it doesn't look like a traditional browser. The tabs aren't at the top, they're on the left sidebar, which Arc calls the sidebar. That's where you'll find everything: tabs, folders, bookmarks, even settings. Step 1 would be understanding the sidebar. The top of the sidebar is your current space. Think of a space as a separate environment, one for work, one for personal browsing, one for school. Step 2 would be opening and managing tabs. Click the plus button or press Command plus T to open a new tab. It opens in the sidebar, not the top bar. Right-click any tab to pin, rename, duplicate, or move it to a different space. Step 3 would be boosting with easels and notes. Arc includes its own tools. Easels let you take screenshots and drop in text, links, or sticky notes, great for visual brainstorming. Notes are built-in pages you can use like a notepad or scratch space. Click the plus button at the bottom and select what you need. Step 4 would be customizing the look. You can change the theme, set a default search engine, or tweak keyboard shortcuts. Just hit Command plus Shift plus Delete to clear your Today tabs, or right-click and close them all at once. Step 5 would be using the command bar. Tap Command plus T and start typing URLs, search terms, or even commands. It's fast, like Spotlight for your browser. You can even switch tabs or open files directly from here.